Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Thank you very much for joining me. Our patient is in a Meg godlike motherboard with 1200 socket. Look at the connectivity, very decent. There's plenty of stuff on it, including, we got one full and two halves of the PCI Express. The socket in question, where did this screw come from? It wasn't here before. It must have came from this board. There's probably one missing. Yeah, it looks like the same screws. So there's got to be a screw missing somewhere or something. We'll see. The socket in question is 1200. So weird. This is AMD board and it has Intel CPU. I guess nothing unusual. The damage is decent. There are no missing pins as far as I can see, but they are mangled so much that if you try to bend them, they would probably snap. Because 1200 sockets are really difficult to bend into position. AM5s are a lot easier to do. Actually, let's see one over here. Now, if we wanted to bend this one back, as you can see, it's all the way bent, right? And yeah, let's see. Well, this one wouldn't snap. It would just take a while to actually bend it into position. But yeah, technically it could be done. I've done it on some boards. I managed to align it. It's hard to get the focus on it. But we have an outline, which is good. There's a little bit of something here. I'm not sure what this is. Is this damage? Maybe not. This will all be cleaned in the ultrasonic cleaner, so we don't really care about those. Should be fine. Now this board is for Ryan. This is actually the previous board I did for Ryan. I replaced the socket. That was AM5, I think, if I remember correctly. It doesn't matter. And I shipped it back, and it arrived so damaged that beyond repair. Like, I don't remember. He showed me the pictures. I don't remember which side. Oh, it looks like this one is also damaged. Oh, that's too bad. But this corner was it hit with so much force that the board literally just bent over. And this is not, well, this one is heavy, so this one I could believe that if it falls, it will make a lot of damage, but the other one was not. So it must have been hit by something else with such a force that it completely ruined the board. And this one, unfortunately, I just noticed. I'm glad I checked. So this one also got hit in the same corner, right? So these pins, they don't really matter, but the board, let me see if I can show you. Not sure if that's visible, but it's bent. The board is bent. See this here? Yeah. So it fell on this corner again. I don't know what they do with these packages, but it's crazy. It was packaged properly in 2 boxes, so this is not supposed to happen. If you treat the package correctly, if you just treat it like it's a package, like it's someone's property and not just trash, it shouldn't happen. But unfortunately, that's too much to ask for. Too much to ask from the, I don't know if it's USPS or UPS or whatever. Which on one hand, I understand. They're overworked, underpaid, frustrating job, hard job. You gotta carry a lot. You gotta keep running up and down the stairs. It's really hard work. I have a lot of respect for that work. But if you treat packages like this, then what's the point? Personally, I always say that the package needs to be packaged so it's safe to drop from the 2nd floor. But sometimes even that is not enough. If you really want to damage this, then you can. Well, let's disassemble it. I don't know whether this is gonna work or not, but it's not like I can straighten it. right? And this one especially, it has a back plate, right? So it's decently protected, but even that did not work. And in fact, looks like the corner has chipped of this. So I guess, no, this doesn't, oh, maybe this is plastic, that's why. I'm not sure. I thought this was aluminum, but it kind of feels like it may be a plastic, because aluminum shouldn't chip like this, right? What do they do with these packages? Well, anyways, let's get this one done. Replace the socket and ship it back, and let's hope it's gonna work.
We about to turn it on.
Alrighty, that went well, no problems. Socket seems aligned, everything is nice and solid, everything's reassembled, it's clean. Well, there's a little bit of residue here and there, but nothing major. It's good. Well, let's hope this one works, and let's hope the UPS guy is gonna be gentle with it, and let's hope this damage over here is not too severe. I don't think it is, but some stuff might not work. But that's it. Thank you guys very much for watching. I do appreciate you, and I shall see you guys in the next one.